Hello everyone, Nasir here again. It's been a while I haven't analyzed the US dollar, in particular the DXY index. In my last analysis I did mention where dollar was looking to strengthen back up to around 97.5ish and beyond. So we definitely got that. We've got the DXY index hitting around 99.5. But I'm not so comfortable that this is the end, to be honest. I mean, it looks like we've got a potential chart pattern here, a triple top. But what I can see is, I mean, I've got this trend line, which was before this recent drop here happened. But I'm just going to go into a 15-minute scale, and I can actually see a lot of, well, not a lot of, but rather buying pressure potentially coming in. And causing the US dollar to go up. So I've got this sort of trend line here. I'm looking for this trend line to break. If that breaks, I think there's a high probability that we're going to see the US dollar continue to strengthen actually beyond 99.4ish. How high, I can't be sure, but one thing I can say is I don't like it when we've got several attempts to make a new high and there was no new high. So I'm looking for the US dollar to potentially head back up to around 99.4ish and make a new high before showing any significant signs of coming back down. So for now, I'd like to stay bullish on the US dollar, which as a result, if you're trading things like GBP, USD, Euro USD and things like that, you probably want to be shorting them. And if you don't want to be shorting them, you probably want to stay on the sidelines until the US dollar is done what it needs to do, or what it wants to do rather. So yeah, for now, stay on the bullish side of the US dollar. Let's see if it can retest that 99.4 level and potentially break above that before giving us some sign of possibly coming back down again. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.